When it rains, it pours, especially here in Israel. Many cities around the world are prepared for bad weather, but since Israel is nestled right in the heart of the desert, we don't usually experience tons of water falling from the sky, and we especially do not expect it to end up indoors, although it often does. Now, for an inventive country that's considered to be the startup nation, you would think that at least the infrastructure could handle the moisture, but take a look.
אמיתי, מה שקורה בחולות.
תגידו שלום למצלמה.
תן גז, תעשה לנו גלים, גלים.
אתם רוצים גלים?